Hello folks, we're back. Okay, so obviously followers of the channel will know that there's been a big delay. In fact, I don't think we've really had any videos out for about a month. There's various reasons for that. Obviously we've been really busy, and August and the beginning of September have been very difficult to manage in terms of how many people are off, because a lot of people want their holiday in August. And yeah, so basically we've had every week there's been at least one person off on holiday. We had Ollie, who had to isolate for 2 weeks because he got COVID. So yes, it's been really difficult for us to keep up with video recording and getting videos edited, because I do all the editing, and without Ollie here I was having to do all the orders, get the orders sent out, so there was potentially probably some delays in orders as well, because I also had some holiday. So yeah, it's been a difficult sort of 4 or 5 weeks, but we have been doing recording, we just haven't got any editing done. So what we're going to do is, this video that's attached to this little chat is basically taken off from where we left off on the last video. So there will be probably some continuity errors over the next month or so, and some things might not make a bit of sense in terms of when cars were done, but I'm going to try and keep it in the best order I can. It's going to be quite difficult because there's also 2 cameras, so I'm going to try and work out what order they all need to be sent out in. There's a lot of exciting stuff though, so it's well worth having a look. We've got, you may have seen, I'm not sure if videos went out before or not, but there's another Le Mans here now. And there's a story associated with that, so that's worth sort of following. We've also got the Drive Tribe Mark II MX5 that's having the Connaught V10 put into it. That car's come to us now. There was a couple of videos out on Drive Tribe where it was somewhere else, but now that's here with us for all the welding works, and Roy's been cracking on with that. So there'll be sort of some videos separate that will be on that Drive Tribe car, and there'll also be the daily vlogs, and there will be a little bit of crossover between the two, because that's just how it's going to work. Roy has basically been on that car full time since it came here. He's had a week's holiday, but other than that he's been on that car, and it's a lot of welding. It's really bad. It is by far the worst MX5 we have welded up, and I think probably anyone has. So yeah, it's quite interesting. We did actually try and persuade them to use a different chassis, because it's actually way worse than 2 of the Mark IIs we're actually breaking, but they want to continue with that one. It's Mike's actual car, so he's kind of attached to it, so we're doing it because we can. But yeah, it's all quite a lot of good stuff going on. Sorry for the delay, sorry for the radio silence. It's just the way it's been. We've just literally been struggling to get stuff done. It's not easy putting out a video every day and trying to run a business as well, and then we've had to deal with sort of product prices increasing, so I've had to pay close attention to that because of the whole COVID and Brexit thing. Everything's going up, as everyone knows, so it's sort of it's a tricky time, but I think we're on top of it. There is another video that I know I've recorded where I sort of thought I was at a time where I could crack on and get some videos done, so there'll be another one with a little bit of a talk like this. Unless I can find a way of editing it out, I probably won't be able to. So yeah, there'll be another one with a little bit of talk, which is kind of less detailed than this one, so that won't make a lot of sense, but you know, we'll do what we can do. Alright, so we'll crack on with back where we left off with the daily vlogs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please continue to watch, please do subscribe and all that stuff, because it really does help us, and it does encourage us to continue, because it's a lot of work doing this. But don't get me wrong, it's great for the business, and it's great for you guys because you can see what we're doing. Alright, so on with the video. Hello folks, welcome back. Another daily vlog. I'm using the old camera actually. I've been doing some editing. Me and Chris have been sharing the cameras because sometimes I take them home and I do editing in the evenings, and he's been using the old one. And I must admit, I was editing one earlier, I think the sound's actually better, so let me know. Okay, let's have a look around, very quick look around the car park. I've had some questions recently about the Supra. People have been saying that they've seen it in a few videos. Whose is it? It's mine. Had that since before the prices went crazy. About 2004 I bought that, and I think it was 2004. It was in, and then I stopped using it for a long time, went in storage. Got it out a couple of years ago, been slowly working through issues, and it's pretty much there now, so that's good. Just enjoy it on sunny days. Right, so this one here, we spoke about this was on Roy's ramp. Customers trying to decide whether to go ahead with it. It's the one that's got quite a lot of welding on the back, and it's going to be a full seal, so they're sort of struggling to decide whether to do it or not. So we shall find out about that soon. I'm going to head into the workshop. I've just taken photos of this 37,000 mile one to put on the website, so that'll be going on the website tomorrow. Roy's getting angry. You're getting angry with brakes, aren't you, Roy?
Yeah.
It's best not to disturb Roy too much when he's angry.
Yeah.
So we'll leave him alone. But yeah, he's fitting some of our Rottinger discs and black diamond pads. Really nice upgrade. This car's turboed. We've done, I think it's probably been in other videos, because we put these rotor wheels on it for him, and we did quite a lot of welding works on it. And Roy is now changing the only caliper he didn't change, because it's now leaking, which is good. We like things like that. Got Ash?
Right.
Cracking on by the looks of it. So when we last spoke about this, oh blimey, I think the seal was just going on, wasn't it? Or just gone on, I can't remember. Sorry?
I was either welding it on or grinding it back.
Doing a bit of grinding. You and I don't know, bloke over there, I've forgotten his name. Grant. You and Grant have been a right bunch.
It's almost as if you've been friends with him for a long time.
Yeah, it's almost like I've known him since I was about 8.
Yes.
You wouldn't have thought I'd forget a name like that. But not like that, as in Grant is a name like that.
Letter as yours.
Yeah. And we're both quite often referred to as G. Anyway. Looks like that's getting ready to weld on. You've done your rear box section. Oh! Hat disc interface.
Yeah, that's all done.
Sweet. So, nearly there.
Nearly there. Got to get this out and
Jelly good. Right. Laylas. Chris has, before he went, I think last time we spoke about, he was fiddling about with these fog lights. Sorry, these fog lights. Don't think he quite got that finished, and then he's on holiday today. Got the gearbox out. We're just waiting for. Sorry, this camera doesn't cope with the dark light so well as the other one. We're now waiting for some bits to arrive to get all that back in, which I think Ash is going to do tomorrow. Grant has been getting on with. You got the inner on this side then, Grant?
Yeah.
That wasn't in, I don't think, last time. That wasn't in, was it, last time? I think we held it up and showed it.
Yeah.
So that's gone in, and you're
Doing this side.
doing the do's on that side.
Yeah, make heat on this side.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I was holding that in the wrong place. I was looking at that. This one doesn't have the wide angle lens. Excellent. Alright, cool. See you tomorrow.
Laters.
And finally, short video this one I think. Finally, Ollie, let's see if we can embarrass him. What are you doing, Ollie?
Recording a video.
Trying to.
My first ever.
It's not easy, is it?
To anyone at home watching, honestly, that thinks that recording a video and speaking in front of it and like looking natural is easy, try it. Honestly.
I'm just noticing a calendar up there which isn't very PC at the moment. That's not appearing in your videos. Because we hide that anyway.
Yeah, so that
should probably dispose of that, really.
Yeah, to be fair, but a little bit of decoration for the room.
Yeah, I don't know if it appeared in this video at all. I'm not going to show you it. But yeah, we should get rid of that.
It hasn't made it, but yeah.
Yeah, so I think we mentioned it in the last video, but you're attempting to do
so the
dispel myths of E10.
Exactly, that's the first episode.
Okay.
So we're literally going to talk about everything that you can need, so that the listener and basically the person that watches the video can go away from it, and you will be the expert. And
me?
The listener.
Oh, okay.
Or whoever watches the video, whoever it might be. So I'm going to do my best to break down all the technical aspects of it. I'm going to do my best to break down all what has been said by the media and how actually true it is, and basically debunk everything and basically stop all the panic.
Yeah, because there's nothing to panic about.
No, exactly.
I had a customer ask me about it outside earlier.
Oh, really?
I said, don't worry.
I've had a couple of emails over it the last couple of days. So
and there's loads of things on YouTube.
Yeah.
Have you got any plans for the one after this?
Not
in like 6 months' time after this one's finished?
Yeah, well, the show that never really has that never has any follow-ups. No, but we're taking suggestions. If you have any ideas or anything, if you do enjoy the video, give us a shout with ideas of basically what you may want us to cover. It can be anything technical that you're not sure about. So anything, if you wanted something on a boosted application or something technical towards the engine, we could definitely talk about it and get things ironed out. I think that actually the next video will be octane rating.
Oh, okay.
So that's what it will be, on all the stuff to do with all the octane rating and whether it's actually a real thing or not, whether you get more out of it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ollie.
It's alright.
He's really struggling. It is difficult to. I mean, I still find it embarrassing watching the videos. I do, and we've been doing it for years. But I remember going back to the first ones. It's not easy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.